We're making the best salad for lunch today, which is a grilled chicken Caesar salad with some dank croutons. Let's get our brioche croutons going. 3 slices. Just gonna chunk them up to ninths. Croutons in here. A little bit of olive oil, big pinch of flaky salt, cracked black pepper, a little garlic powder, a little onion powder, parsley flake, and a little chili flake. And a little bit of Parmesan. Mixy mix. Croutons on the baking sheet. Let's cut up some chicken. I'm gonna cut this titty in half. 2 pieces. Chicken breast, we're just gonna salt, pepper, and garlic powder both sides. Keeping it pretty simple. Okay, croutons in the oven. Let's get this pan on, nice and hot. Pan's hot, gonna get some olive oil in, cutlets in. We're gonna wait till this gets a nice color on both sides. Let's get our mortar and pestle out. 2 cloves of garlic, 2 anchovy fillets. Flip the chicken. Back to the mortar and pestle, nice pinch of salt. And then we're gonna make this garlic and anchovy situation into a paste. That should be good. Let's check on our croutons. We're gonna flip them. And we go back in for a few more minutes. This chicken should be done. Let's turn it off. Let's have it sit on the stove. Big salad bowl. To this, some olive oil. Separate an egg yolk. Oh fuck, I broke it. Broken egg yolk. Put some Dijon mustard in, a little bit. Mix it up, a little more olive oil. Scrape out the anchovy and garlic paste. Get that in. Gonna squeeze in a lemon also. Half a lemon should be fine. Get some Parmesan cheese in. Lettuce in. Toss it up. Let's get a chicken breast. Croutons out too. CZ Sally into the bowl. Chicken on the side. Hot croutons. A little more Parmesan cheese on top. We are set. All right, chicken Caesar with some homemade croutons for lunch. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, yo, best salad. Okay, I'm gonna finish this. Have a good day, goodbye.